start.
Michael.
Best Agile coach in the universe.
Is Agile dead? Take two. Heck no, it ain't. I'm Michael Lear, best Agile coach in the universe, according to the Martians. So I did promise another take. Watch my previous video, is Agile Dead take one. And I did promise to explain why it's not. And it has to do with resource allocation. Now that's a mouthful. So resource allocation. Now it's always about consider the alternative. The alternative that we had before is called waterfall. Now a lot of people that have been around for a while working in big corporates don't know what that looks like. So resource allocation waterfall is extremely wasteful. It's inefficient. It's ineffective. You're assigning people to projects, just inefficient. The Agile mindset means that we assign work to teams. It's easier, it's more efficient, it's more productive. So when you're asking yourself, is Agile dead? Ask yourself, how would you allocate resources in the new paradigm? There is no new way, no new paradigm, so Agile is not dead. And I know it's a bit like a mouthful and a bit complex. Again, think about resource allocation. What's the alternative? If your alternative is the previous way, waterfall, just doesn't make any sense. So Agile is still alive, still kicking, still same foundation. Maybe not same landscape, but same foundation. Watch this video from earlier this year. I'm Michael Lee, best Agile coach in the Martians. Thank you.